Introducing the Home Management and Homeschool Planner by Plan, Prep, Pray. Peace, purpose, productivity, perspective. Crafted with the real life of a homeschool mom in mind. This planner is more than just pages. It's a tool to steward your time, keep your home, and pour into your family's journey with intention. While the world may feel chaotic, we can walk forward with a grounded heart, managing both home and homeschool without losing ourselves in the process. We're called to bring order to our home one day at a time. This planner is for the moms juggling it all, the homeschoolers managing lessons, chores, and schedules while trying to stay grounded in faith. It's for those who long for a tool to bring clarity, balance, and spiritual focus to their days. As moms, we're balancing so much: homeschooling, managing a household, and nurturing our families. The weight of it all can leave us feeling scattered and overwhelmed, and often we're left wondering if we're doing enough. It's easy to feel like there's never enough time, and sometimes we lose sight of the most important relationships in our lives: our relationship with Christ, our families, and even ourselves. And that's where this planner comes in. It's not just about writing things down. It's about creating a rhythm for your day, aligning your heart with your purpose, and making time for what matters most. Daily gratitude and prayer sections to help you start your day centered on Christ. Homeschooling tools like curriculum trackers and yearly goal pages to stay organized. A reusable wet erase bookmark for flexible routines that adapt to your changing seasons. Durable, family-proof design to withstand the beautiful chaos of your busy days. Hi, I'm Wendy. I'm a homeschooling mom of 5, and I've been navigating this beautiful journey for over 11 years. Through my experiences and the conversations I've had with other homeschool moms, I created this planner to meet our unique needs because I understand how overwhelming it can be to balance it all. My prayer is that this planner serves as a reminder that we don't have to do it alone, that God is with us every step of the way, offering strength and grace as we fulfill our callings. Join me in bringing this planner to life through our Kickstarter. By pledging today, you're not just supporting a project, you're joining a movement to bring peace and purpose to homes everywhere. Let's embrace this journey together, one intentional day at a time.